come to find your shade, and today we have 4 guests to try the Misha Red BB and find out which is best for their skin tone. We also hope that you can find your perfect match too.
The product we'll be trying out today is the OG BB cream, the #1 best-selling BB cream on Amazon, the Misha Red BB cream. Misha is one of the most iconic K-beauty brands ever, and they're really well known for their BB creams. This red BB cream has sold over 100 million bottles worldwide, over 41 different countries, and it's really well known and famous all across the world.
The Red BB's full name is actually Misha and Perfect Cover BB Cream, so it gives you a natural coverage and protects you from UV rays. It does it all on days that you don't feel like layering sunscreen.
This is what everyone on TikTok has been raving about. It's pretty much impossible not to know about it.
I can't wait to find out which one of the 7 shades will fit me the best.
You can definitely find your best shade if you follow the 3 steps that I'm going to show you.
I know that for sure. It's light. It's fair with kind of subtle pink tone.
Mine is more of a medium tan. Like, it's definitely medium, but maybe more on the deeper side.
Maybe medium for me. It's not too bright or too dark. I would say it's a bit yellowish with a bit of an olive tone.
Mine is a medium, I would say, but it is a little bit more yellow than light. But it is also not a full beige medium.
Oh my gosh, this is such a struggle for me. I don't really know much about my undertones, so it's hard to find the perfect shade for products. Some of them look too gray on my skin tone, while others look a little bit too yellowish on me.
Apparently, you can find out your undertone through the veins on your wrist. So, if you're blue or purple, you're cool toned, but if you're green or olive, then you're warm toned. If it's a mix of both and hard to tell, then you're neutral, but I am definitely cool toned.
Oh, I guess I'm neutral then. If I look at my veins, mine look like a mix of blue and green.
I am warm tone. Mine look green. And I also suit gold jewelry way better than silver, which is also a warm tone thing.
I'm definitely cool tone. Pink, rose, plum always looks the best on me. Considering my light tone and cool tone, I'm definitely certain C. Bright beige is the one for me, no doubt.
I'm still deciding between 21 and 23, but I think I will pick 21 because I prefer a brighter look and I don't want to end up looking too pale.
Since I'm a medium and neutral tone, I'm debating between 23C and 25W. Can I try them on both before I decide?
I think 31, which is the darkest shade in the medium range. I'm warm toned, but I think this looks pretty versatile. It'll suit me well.
Now I'm gonna try 21 on this side and I'm gonna try 23 on the other side.
Oh my god, this matches my skin so well.
This is like a perfect match. This is definitely my shade. Oh, I never imagined that like the medium could be broken into so many different detail shades.
So I tried 23 on this side and 25 on the other. I think that 23 gives more of a cooler vibe, while 25 gives more of a warm beige vibe. I really like how both look on my skin, so I think I can just choose any depending on the mood that I'm going for that day.
I'm amazed with the coverage. It pretty much removed all of the redness and dark spots.
I think it both looks really good. But for my light medium skin, I think I prefer 21. So I'll try it all over my face now.
Way better than I expected. And the fact that it has SPF, no need to layer a bunch of products. This is literally all you need to block any UV rays.
I've applied it on my entire face, and as you can see, the texture is super creamy and bouncy. But once you apply it on your skin, it becomes really smooth and a silky finish.
I wanted a warmer tone, so I tried number 25. But if you're like me and you like more than one tone, then you can just mix them like this. And it'll work too.
I like how it sets so smooth and natural even on my oily skin, but I am like a little bit worried that it's gonna get shiny, so I guess we'll see how it holds up. So it's the end of the day already and it's still holding up so well. I mean, look. And my skin's pretty oily, but it hasn't moved at all when I rubbed it. Like, do you see that?
The crazy part is I only applied this one product, but the coverage held up all day.
There's no oxidation and the shade matched me perfectly. I couldn't stop checking out myself in the mirror all day.
My skin is oily and dehydrated, but my T-zone didn't get shiny at all. And after 7 hours, I can't really even tell much of a difference.
With these kind of results and at such reasonable price, there is no reason why I wouldn't buy it, and I will keep it in my makeup rotation.
Best sellers hit different. No wonder why it's been the OG BB cream and Amazon's #1 bestseller for so long. 10 out of 10 would recommend.
I hope this video helped you find your perfect shade. Try Misha's Red BB. Bye!